Make sure your dual arm operator matches the one highlighted in this video. Before you begin the removal and replacement of your casement's dual arm operator, unlock and crank open the window to the halfway position. If your window has an insect screen, you'll need to remove that as well. Loosen the set screw on the crank handle and remove the crank and plastic covering. If your window came equipped with Ashlar hardware, you'll need to remove the metal cover which fits snugly over the mechanism. To remove the operator cover, begin by scoring the area with a utility knife where the operator cover meets the sill and side stops to prevent cracking of the wood. Gently wiggle it to find a spot to place a pry bar or putty knife underneath and gently pry it free, being careful not to mar the wood. Once it's free from the clips, carefully lift it straight up and out of the window. To remove the control arm, pry down on the arm with a flat screwdriver between the arm and black clip to release it from the sash. On the short arm, insert a flat screwdriver between the bracket and the arm and pry the arm downward off the post. Next, remove the screws from the operator and remove the old operator. Position the new operator on the sill and secure it with screws. If the screws are loose, you can use larger or slightly longer screws to secure the new operator. Make sure the screw heads don't protrude above the operator base plate. Snap the short arm clip back into the bracket and snap the long arm back into the black clip. Finally, snap the operator cover back into place and reinstall the plastic or metal cover and crank handle. Check the sash for proper operation. To learn more about this and other Kolbe products, please visit our website at kolbewindows.com.